How to delete phone number on Facebook. Hello everybody, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way, and to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you go on the Google Play Store or App Store of your device and then install the latest version of Facebook on your device. Or you can also go on the Google Chrome and then simply type Google Chrome and log into your device. After that, you can just go on the three vertical lines on the top right side and then go on the option of settings. After you go on the option of settings, just tap on see more in account center. When you tap on see more in account center, you will see the pop-up with many information on your screen right here. And among this, what you should do is tap on personal details. After you tap on your personal details, you will see there is the option of contact info. So when I tap on my contact info information, I will see my phone number right on the down. Now, I can either tap on my phone number and then add a new one. I can also add a new contact number, and I can also delete my Facebook phone number just by tapping on the phone number and then tap on delete number and add the next number. I can just use my email account for my Facebook without any number as well. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. To suggest us for more videos and comment any questions or queries that you have in your mind. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.